Yo, what it doing? So I'm your boy LILROB, and today, if y'all seen that title and that thumbnail, man, y'all know what's going on. I haven't been this excited in a minute. You feel me? Cause y'all gotta, when you get older, it's less things in the world that'll make you excited. Like you don't get excited for little toys like that. But this ain't no little toy, y'all. This ain't no regular. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, look at my mini bike, 600, you know what I'm saying? 1600 horsepower.
Alright, don't get the cap now. It's 110. But you taking baby
Let
steps.
me drive this
Yeah, you know what I'm getting there.
When you first start riding dirt bikes, and like four wheelers and stuff, you gotta start somewhere. So this is a good start for you. This 110cc, then you can go to like a 150. You can go to like a 250. Gonna be big though.
Christ, this angle, why?
Yeah, you go to like 100. I mean, this is 100 cc. You know what I'm saying? This gas power, this go 30 miles per hour. So this is a lot of power for you, man. So
This goes
No, this ain't a lot of power for nothing. I can control this thing. You feel me?
no, okay. So you gonna capture your subs?
I'm not gonna cap. Y'all finna
y'all
see right
how
now.
he really started when we surprised him with it.
Yeah, go to
He was rusty.
go to their channel. You gonna see my real first test drive. This probably like my third.
I'm just
Like-
saying, your very first, you
Well,
almost crashed.
yeah,
Matter
I
of fact,
crashed.
I'm gonna send you a snippet of when you hit the curb right there, and you can
did.
say my very first test drive and just show him what happened.
I beat him in that race. He literally just went in that curve.
Yeah, King ran
Look.
faster than you, bro.
This was the first test drive.
Wasted.
I didn't even know that happened, man.
All right, well, let's see how you hit it now.
But
So,
now,
the race
let me show you how. You know what I'm saying?
where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going?
What you mean? I was fixing this.
Okay. He
Yeah,
got it down
you know what I'm
packed. Did you check to make sure
Like
the fuel was on? This the little black fuel switch is turned
It's
on.
on,
It's
it's
on. Yeah. Let's get it. What's on
Well,
then?
yeah. Y'all ready? Watch how I take one try to crank this thing. I forgot to pull it up a little bit.
GTA wasted. That man's struggling.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
This is bad.
Get your ass
Yeah,
on.
listen, if y'all sub, maybe he'll get stronger.
Yeah,
you got it up too high, let it down some. And just let it down and go up until you feel it stop a little bit. Right there, now yank it.
Ah, see, it wasn't me, it was this.
You gotta learn, kid, gotta probably
But
put you
hey.
up.
Y'all gotta learn when enough is enough. I see y'all.
That thing, look at him about to crash, y'all. King, that boy can't ride, huh?
If he crashes, he's done. He's gone. You have to walk all the way over there.
So he way down there. Let's see how his U-turn game going. That boy struggling, he can't even turn around. Somebody getting groceries over there. Here he come. Hey. King is funny. Oh, here he come, King.
I tried to do a cool stop, but it kept going. Hey, tell your girlfriend, I said walk one.
King, you think you can outrun him on that with this?
Huh?
Think you can beat him
Yeah, I
with this?
could.
You hot, kid, you
I'm
alright?
the skatist of this.
Nah, heck no, that's gonna be weird.
Yeah.
Like when you ride in, could you do this? Or this not no
Yeah.
fight. That's scary. You do it first. No,
My dad tried this and almost died.
you gonna break your back. Yo, you gonna break his back. He tripping. It probably feel better to catch more wind though.
Dad, you're coming
Why do you be kicking like that?
Right. Hit the brake and
swing the back.
But don't hit it too hard. Don't yank it. You gotta like, it's like gradual. Yeah, don't stand up. That shit feels dangerous.
Yeah.
Cause you gotta kind of pull back and like get your knees kind of. Can we go for riding a new bike, bro?
I be. What y'all think? Yeah. Go ahead and, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can go ahead.
Hey.
Quick test drive.
I'm gonna give me one soon too, man.
Yeah, so we can race. Yo, that thing be taking off. And just into distance. He gonna turn. He better not turn right. I already know he is. Every single time, watch. Oh, he did. He turned left. That boy weird. Crazy. That boy went to the neighbor house. But, yeah, man. That is the surprise, y'all. Crazy. Man, you know what I'm saying? Life gets better, you feel me? Look at the wide angle lens. You feel me? Like we always wanted. Like, I was watching one of my YouTube videos from a long time ago. Y'all, we just growing, man, every day. And I don't think I told y'all, but I am sick, y'all. I've been sick for the last like week. And, just yeah, I just been sick. Real sick. But we back, y'all, we back. Well, we not fully back, y'all. My nose still congested. I'm pretty sure y'all can hear it, like in my voice. But we getting there. And I'm also getting hot. Now I'm just yapping. Somebody going to the house. As y'all see, I'm roasted. Roasted and toasted. I'm going coasted to coasted. Talking that smack, you get... yeah, hold on. Skirt, skirt. Why he ain't came back on my bike? What if they crashed? Did them boys crash? Let me go down there and see. Should I jog? Should I get on my bike? I'm gonna get on my bike. I feel like as soon as I get on my bike, they gonna come through. But still gotta go. Jesus Christ, this man there fell off the bike. Let me stop calling it a bike. That's a real deal. Yeah. Jesus, bro. It's hot as a mug. I wish I still had my freaking tripod. There you go. I thought y'all crashed. I was gonna come on my bike. I thought y'all crashed.
Going far. Then something on my bike.
Whew.
Hey, it's way hard though.
Okay, y'all, that is good. No need to worry. But I was worried at first. But I'll see y'all boys in the next clip. Time out. Okay, y'all, you know what I'm saying? Me in the basketball, man, you know what I'm saying? Back to the basics, you feel me? Get stuff off my mind, you know what I'm saying? Cool little, just stub a couple shots, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Hope y'all can see the red. Okay, y'all, I just got back to the crib and I just got notified, y'all. I just got notified that my school just had a school threat. Somebody's trying to shoot up the school in my district. Like, they trying to shoot up all the schools in my district, not just one school. My school, King's school. So, with that being said, me and King not going to school, cause let's trying to take precautions. Cause you know what I'm saying, I'm not worried. I'm not worried. I stay strapped. I got that Glock with a switch. But we ain't gonna talk about that. I'm really one of them YNs. So I'm going to my uncle's house just cause I just wanna go over there since I'm not going to school. And I'm probably just gonna chill. Hopefully we get a haircut. And yeah. Hopefully that. But yeah, man, we just had a school shooting, man. I just wanted to inform y'all, cause now the vlog is finna change. But also, I don't, man, don't be crash outs, man. Don't do all that, man. Just be cool, you know what I'm saying? It always get better, and just don't be a crash out. Cause I'm gonna have to pull up. You don't wanna see that. But I do gotta show y'all this other camera lens though. So let me go do that. Right here, y'all. This is where I need the lens. This is my dad and them lens. And Jesus Christ. Boy, this thing, the autofocus is crazy. Nah. That's wow. That junk go shh. Crazy, man, but feel me, this the little other lens, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Let's take a moment. Let's take a moment to let me like, man, it's crazy. It's a what a time to be alive, man, you know? You know what I'm saying? It's crazy. Like, the little things, y'all. It's the little things. Like, I don't know if y'all can see over there, like, Cole got her little toilet, her little potty. Feel me? You know what I'm saying? It's just, that don't even make sense. What am I yapping about? I don't know. I just want to use the lens. But no, for real though, y'all, when I'm getting this lens, or a lens like this, I'm gonna go crazy. But I'm gonna hop off their lens, and I'm gonna go back to our lens, you feel me? So, yeah, hope y'all have fun being on this lens. And y'all, this is the other lens. The only difference is it's not as wide. And as y'all see, the blur is less of a blur. But like, you know what I'm saying, we can still put our arm out and make it a little bit more wide. It's just, you feel me, it's just extra work for me, you know what I'm saying? But besides that, you feel me? Yeah, look, that is horrible. Alright, y'all, we just got done eating breakfast, you feel me? We got that way, Cairo. He didn't even clean the mat. But yeah, that's that boy Tyree, dog. We is about to head to the barber, not the barber shop, but like to our personal barber, get a cut. So I'll see y'all when we hop in the V or get to the place. We're about to get a cut, you know what I'm saying? And then yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the results.
Yeah, man. Cutting it off. Hey, listen, y'all. If y'all watching, bro, why is the camera in my face so close, bro?
Alright,
I don't want to look like you.
Alright, go.
Hey man, if y'all watching, hey, come check me out, man. I'm about to be the craziest.
Blurt that out. So. Nah,
Bro, I hate YouTubers, bro. That's why I hate YouTubers.
Continue.
I don't like YouTubers, bro.
Continue. You a YouTuber.
No, I'm not.
Continue.
Anyway, we about to get him one of the crispiest edge ups. I call this the halfway because it's gonna be halfway on top of his head. Y'all stay tuned.
He trolling. But what's the name? Where your car? Y'all cutting. My God, y'all just wait till the hair grow. It's gonna look even better. But the cut looking nice, and he got me out there quick on some quick stuff. You feel me?
Wait, what you don't know is you gotta hit them 30 push-ups.
So he said if I drop 30 push-ups, the cut is free. So is he about to come sit down or not?
Yeah. Do them all over here.
I need to set this camera up, y'all. So I'm about to set. Yeah, record me real quick.
What?
4:30.
Right? Yep, 4:30.
Nah, come on here.
Come on.
He said 4:30 free cut. Like it right. Yeah.
What? Yeah. You look a little nervous.
What am I nervous for?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, that boy shaking, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 30, 27, 27, 28.
Come on, man. You gotta get them too, bro.
That boy shaking harder than
29. You gonna fuck on the last one?
Get on my face.
He got it?
Get on my face.
Oh, no.
Them Connie.
Alright, bro.
My fault. Man, I was just so drained, my arms heavy as heck. Cause of Tyree. I ain't gonna cap, I did like 10 push-ups right there. Chat. Comment down below, was them real push-ups? What y'all think, man? Is them real? Was them real push-ups, y'all? Did them count? Hold on, I just messed up the settings, y'all. There we go. I didn't get to record when I was doing push-ups for money. I made a quick 40 ball. So I basically just made $70 right now, real quick. You feel me? Yeah. Let me call my dad, tell him this good news real quick. Let's call my dad, see his reaction. Hold on. Hello? Dad. So, got my haircut, right?
Yeah.
He said if I drop 30 push-ups, I get it for free. I dropped them 30 kids. You don't gotta pay.
Yeah, them niggas soft, son. Yeah, beat that nigga ass, Fuego.
But alright, kid. Man, bro, when I did the first push-up, my arms were so heavy, bro. I knew ain't no way I could do this. But I knew he wasn't gonna care when I started selling. Y'all look at these flowers looking nice. That shows y'all how much of a beautiful day it is. Just dropped 100,000 push-ups. How many push-ups did I do? I did 40, 45, and then 30?
I don't know.
75 push-ups.
You did 40 for Tyree, right, or 30?
Yeah, I did 45.
You didn't do 45.
I did an extra 5 randomly. Remember? I did a random 5. Well, I'm just saying 45 just because of 40.
For Tyree, and then you just did how many right there? 30?
Yeah.
You up 70.
For $70, and I got 70.
Yeah, for $70.
$70 worth.
Oh, I ain't even paying.
Oh, that boy Ant down 60. But y'all seen what's going on. That boy out here really strong, man. Well, I see y'all boys when we get back to the crib. Alright, y'all, we popping out at the station. We ended up not going to the Galleria because we just didn't go to the Galleria. You know what I'm saying? You got it. Thank you, guys. Appreciate you. I'm pulling up here. Nah. Definitely want one of these. Definitely, y'all. Putting y'all young boys on. I don't know what else, man. This, I think I want chips. Bro, I wish they had clear fruits in here. They don't got them in, I don't think they got them in Texas at all. My mom likes these hot pickle things. I don't know what, what's the name they got going on there, but ain't no hot puff bar. Like, you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. You ain't talking about what I'm talking about. So you talking about. If you ain't talking about what I'm talking about, then what you talking about? Big. You gotta feed that. It's gotta have home, but if you lying to him, a letter, don't care about what he texts you. I'm trying to see what you say back. Okay, you did wrong, but lying about it. I don't even want these chips. Okay, you did wrong, but lying about it, I can't accept that. Getting in my feelings about my, she give me set back, and I ain't coming back again. I'll leave it where it's left at. I wonder how much those drinks cost y'all. I need $1 drink. I need $1 drink. I need $1 thing. If I put it purple, then I make it pink. You know what I'm saying? Real talk. This was a long weekend because I missed Friday. Should I get munchies again? I've been eating munchies I've been smacking munchies. I ain't gonna cap. I ain't gonna stop. I'm gonna grab a brisk and I'm gonna call it a snack pack. a little strong.
Huh?
You look a little strong. He's playing strong. NFL player. Feel me? Y'all feel me, chat? Oh no. Man, what? Just went in that pocket. Hey, y'all know, hey, that boy better not reach. Y'all know that.
What you gonna do?
Y'all know it be in that right pocket. Right pocket got, left pocket got the strap in it.
I don't know, man.
You got me on camera?
I got some change. Got some change if you need.
I can't
Oh,
take
you
that.
balling. You up at 50 ball.
No, you got me.
No, you up off him. What's that fuck nigga? He said what?
He said
Said
I'm
he
up.
cool, he up off you.
He could have got up even more if he would have did 100.
No, that's a move.
Or what was it? 50 push-ups. What was it? 50? It was 50 for 100.
I'm up.
Hey, what did you never did that 20? What he did? 20 straight, 30 straight?
No, he kept taking breaks. That wasn't.
After you left, after you left.
Oh yeah, after I left, Aunt had me do something for a cut.
And he kept 30 straight.
I can't see. There we go. Ah.
Ender. It's only Ender.
Was that it? Alright, y'all. I almost forgot my card game. But I didn't. I should get these for them. I know they like these. I should give my dad in one for him, huh? Or can you call him? Bruh. These pants was not just falling down, y'all. I think it's my phone in its head. Left pocket's full of pink in it. Right pocket got blues in it. Plus in it. I know what to do with it. $1,000 shoe. I'm walking on up. You ain't running up. Hey, when I drop this video, y'all, be grateful, y'all, cause like I ain't dropped in about a month. I've been smoking blunts. I'm like, bleep that. He ain't answer. That's on him. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when we get to the crib. Huh? Y'all, it is the next morning and I did not get to record when I got home, y'all. The fight was the fight was crazy. Actually, it was like, it wasn't no knockout, I was saying. But, freaking, I can't even talk, man. I couldn't record. It was music playing. We was playing music. We was eating. I wasn't even thinking about vlogging. I was just so in the moment. Got caught up. So, I know y'all hate to hear it, but, or some of y'all might love it, but that is the end of this vlog, man. And y'all, I'm going to try to be more consistent. No, I am going to be more consistent, especially this coming October and December. I got stuff planned for y'all, man. I got stuff. I'm going to be more, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to just, y'all going to see, man. I got some stuff in store. Alright, so, like, subscribe, turn on post notices. It's your boy, LILROB. Love y'all. We out.